Okay, let's start this course off with some squares. Our first character is the baller. Let's start with a square and 2 ears and a line across the top of her head for her headband. Now 2 circles for her eyes and a big capital L for her nose. And now a squiggly line for her mouth. And 2 very fancy dots for her eyes and 3 eyelashes above each eyeball. Now give her squiggly mouth some lips, and now a long neck and square shoulders. Let's move on to the hair now, and let's do 2 vertical lines in the center and then 2 very small vertical lines on the outside and connect them with some curves. Next, draw some squiggles going down from her ears and stopping just below her shoulders. And now it's time for her clothes. Okay, we've got a pretty decent foundation now. Next, let's put in some details with a thin pen, starting with an S in each ear and then giving her some thinner squiggles inside her hair. Okay, let's add some detail to her top now. And just a big X in the middle for, I don't know, excellent. I don't know, maybe she's wearing a treasure map. We will never know. Alright, now let's do some shading, which is just basic straight vertical lines. So we'll start on the hair and then move down to the lips and then continue with the hair below her jaw. And now to add a little bit of depth, let's draw some shadow under her neck. And now some more straight lines, this time for her top. She's got a very worried look on her face. I don't know, maybe she scored an own goal. Is that a thing in basketball? I don't know. It looks like she's looking at something happening in slow motion. It's like she's in a movie and there's something bad going down. But that's okay, because it's just basketball. It's a friendly match. It's going to be alright. And now some shadows under her ears and a few little details on the headband. Okay, she's looking pretty good, so let's stop there and put in a black background, which is always fun to do at the end of the drawing. And we have just drawn the baller. I'll see you in the next video.